Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding new contacts to your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Contacts app on your phone. In Contacts, tap on the plus icon at the top of the page. Tap on the drop-down arrow in the top left corner and choose where you would like your contact to be saved to. You can choose between your Samsung account, your phone, your SIM or SIM2 if you have to installed, or your Google account. Fill in your new contact's name, number and email if you like. Tap Save at the bottom of the page. You can also add contacts within the phone app. To do this, open up the phone app and tap Contacts at the bottom. Tap the plus icon at the top of the Contacts page. Then add their name and number. Choose where you would like the contact to be stored and then tap Save. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.